Hello, my name is Sean Mulherrin. I've been with EPLAN since 1993, and since 2013 I'm part of the product management team. So I'm working out of Detroit, Michigan, but reporting to the headquarters back in Germany, making sure that we capture requirements of our customers worldwide in terms of functionality, workflows, and additional added value for the software. So the industries that we mainly serve are machine builders, and we are predominantly in the controls area, controls environment. So anything that has to do with control equipment on machinery, systems, plants, and tools. So EPLAN offers a suite of different solutions to support our customers to create those control systems. So the fab word, or the popular word right now, the term is digital twin, and we are right center in the middle of it. We're the digital twin of the control systems. Whether you need to create your schematics to identify how everything is connected, we provide solutions to help you design those schematics efficiently and quickly. Or if you need to build your control cabinet, we provide the digital twin of that control cabinet, showcasing exactly how those components are installed within the electrical space. And the solutions that we provide work all on the same data platform. We really, through the data-driven approach, give you an in-depth view of the control system. What is connected to what? How are they connected to each other? And then how are they positioned within the machines? How are the cables routed? How are the cables connected? How are the PLC and IOs connected to each other? So those are all aspects that we can handle very easily and efficiently in our system, really providing the digital twin of the control system to our customers. So you can really see huge and tremendous time savings from, in a conservative aspect on our marketing slogans, we talk about 20, 30, 40%. But once we implement them, we see closer to 60, 70, 80% of time savings on a real project. And those are tremendous savings that help our customers move forward, innovate, and grow using our solutions. Our partnership with Rockwell has been long-standing, and we're currently a technology gold partner. In the early stages of the partnership, we were providing data to the data portal from the Rockwell components. Over 32,000 Rockwell components have been uploaded to the data portal and now are available for the EPLAN users to directly integrate into their designs. Another aspect of the partnership was an interface to the Studio 5000. Providing data from the schematics, all of the I/O information, descriptors and tags, and automatically transferring that information into the programming environment so that there is no more need for a manual takeoff from the programmer off of the schematics. And most recently, we are exploring an interface to emulate 3D, the latest software of Rockwell to do emulation and simulation. And to that aspect, I have with me Andrew Deeble. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi Sean, so I'm Andrew Deeble, engineering lead with the Emulate 3D team. Emulate 3D is used to make dynamic digital twins, with the main aim being for virtual commissioning. So we're creating an environment for controls engineers to put their real logic through its paces in a detailed model that contains the physics of their system and an electrical simulation model as well. We need a lot of the same source information that EPLAN provides in order to build that electrical simulation model. So rather than creating this from scratch, instead we can use EPLAN as our data source and bring this into the Emulate 3D model to instantly generate our simulation model of those devices and their connections. And this then allows the controls engineers to combine it with their CAD of their physical assets, combine it with their PLC code or higher level controls code, and then perform commissioning safely from the convenience of an office before anything is built to accelerate their timelines, their schedules, and reduce risk. This project, we think, is very valuable because it gives so many more users access to this electrical logical simulation with minimal effort. It's just an import straight from EPLAN. I'm pleased to say that this stemmed from conversations that Sean and I had at Automation Fair a couple of years ago, really showing the benefits of this partner program.
That's right. Thank you, Andrew. Correct. In the at the Automation Fair, we were trying to figure out how could those two software tools work together. And one of the challenges is to create that simulation model, and how fast can we get that simulation model up and running. And if EPLAN already has all of the information of how the devices are interconnected to each other, why not leverage that data and just feed it into Emulate 3D? And that's exactly what we're doing. So I'm looking forward to getting our common customers using it and giving us some feedback. And that's the latest integration of EPLAN and Rockwell.